Hello and welcome to Greece. I'm wet, you're dry, and this is a lesson where we learn how to make small talk, conversation about the weather, this stuff. The clouds, the storms, the hot, the cold, the humidity, anything like that we're going to learn how to say. So 5 phrases for you today. 1. The weather is hot. It's hot today, just something you can just drop in when you're out, I don't know, sailing one of these dinghies somewhere in Dubai or something like that. Oh, الجو حار اليوم. Oops, I told you. We'll come to that later. Second phrase, the weather is cold. The weather is stormy. The weather is cloudy. And finally, the weather is humid, because humidity you get a lot of in the Middle East. Dubai in the summer is so humid, it's so hot, there's so much water everywhere. The humidity goes through the roof. Okay, it goes very, very high. So those are the 5 phrases. Let's start with number 1. First of all, the Arabic word for weather, 2 ways of saying it. Weather, I would go with tox. Sounds like this, tox, listen, tox. It's quite hard to say loud for me. Tox, so it's 3 letters, ta-pa-sa, and that means weather. The other word you can use to describe weather is il-jaw. Jaw literally means air, but is also used to describe weather, particularly if you're talking about the temperature of the weather, for example, hot or cold. So the first 2 phrases we're going to use the word il-jaw for weather. Okay? Il-jaw har. Il-jaw har means the weather is hot. Il-jaw har. The weather is hot. Il-jaw har. The weather is cold means sounds like this. الجو بارد. الجو بارد. الجو بارد. بارد. And it's B-A-R-D. بارد. الجو بارد. That means the weather is cold. Sun, no sun. Sun, no sun. الجو بارد means weather is cold. Now we're going to talk about these things, the clouds. There aren't many, but there are a couple today. And they're beautiful, actually. And the word for, to say it's cloudy, you say غائم. You can say غائم or غائم. Doesn't really matter, it's just an accent. غائم you'd say in Kuwait, غائم you'd say in Syria or Lebanon or something. So it's just a matter of accent. You could say الجو غائم. الجو غائم. Or you could say الطقس غائم. Probably better actually to say الطقس غائم. الطقس غائم اليوم. The weather is cloudy today. الطقس غائم اليوم. Say, I don't know, yesterday it was really sunny. And today it's a bit cloudy. Oh, الطقس غائم اليوم. نعم, أيوة, الطقس غائم اليوم. Next up, stormy. The word for storm is عاصفة. So a storm is عاصفة. That is a storm. And the word looks like this. That's a storm. That's the word. Storm, word. عاصفة. To say the weather is stormy, you say الطقس عاصف. الطقس عاصف. So you remove the tar marbuta from the end, which makes it into an adjective, in this case at least, and you say الطقس عاصف. الطقس عاصف. That's how to say, oh, the weather's stormy. So say, I don't know, you're out on one of these boats again. Let me just show you the view very quickly because it's quite nice. Say you're out on one of these yachts and you say, there's a storm coming, you say, oh, الطقس عاصف. الطقس عاصف. Easy. We've done cloudy, hot, cold, we've done storm. Humidity. So humidity, رطوبة. Not a ta, but a ta. I made a video about this letter here, which you can watch. رطوبة is humidity. If you want to say the weather is humid, you say الطقس رطب. الطقس رطب. رطب. 3 letters. رطب. الطقس رطب. Watch my alphabet series there for the letters and how to write them and how to pronounce them a little bit. 3 words. So, to say the weather is humid, which, like I said, does get very humid in the Middle East, particularly in the Gulf, where you've got very, very hot summers and lots of water surrounding you. It can get very humid. Dubai, Kuwait, definitely. Kuwait actually is quite dry. Take that back, totally. Dubai is actually very humid. Kuwait, not so much, because it's surrounded by a lot more land. Okay, I think that's it. You've got 5 phrases there. الجو حار, الجو بارد, الطقس غائم, الطقس عاصف, and الطقس رطب. Okay, thank you for watching. As always, good luck with your phrases. I hope these give you a bit of a kind of pathway, a gateway into making some nice conversation with some Arabic people that you meet along your way in your travels, and I hope you find them beneficial and kind of useful anyway. I hope you enjoyed this video. أفخر الستو. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. Bye bye.